Hi guys, we are back once again. In the last video, I spoke about what is the career focus of a teacher. Today, I'm going to take a separate topic, and that's cybersecurity. With the advent of what we call as the digital world, we also now have the problem of cybersecurity. You must have heard about hacking, then data loss, data theft, and as the technology is advancing, we also need to advance our security. So, the first question comes is, what is cybersecurity? What is the definition? Cybersecurity is the application of technology, the process and controls to protect the system, networks, devices, and data from cyber attacks. Basically, it aims at the risk of cyber attacks and also protecting against the unauthorized exploitation of systems, network, and technologies. There is one more word, and that's called as information security. And there is a difference between cybersecurity and information security. Cybersecurity basically focuses on the protection of computer systems from the unauthorized access, whereas information security is a broader category that looks to protect all the information assets, whether in hard copy or digital form. And as I said, that with the advent of digital technology, now cyber security courses are also becoming very significant in our country. And in the recent past, if we see, cyber attacks and data breaches have become very, very common. They are more risky to the organizations and organization system. In fact, last year alone, there was a record number of data breaching in our country. And as we all know, in 2019, there was a huge data breach. Therefore, in fact, a couple of major cyber attacks have plagued some of the most confidential and invaluable data in the recent times. That is why we need cybersecurity system professionals. This is a career which can be pursued by candidates at the degree level, at the master's level, and even we have diploma and certifications. Now I'll talk about the universities or the colleges, the institutions which are providing these courses at various levels. I have come across many students who have asked me, ma'am, is cybersecurity a good course for me? Yes. As the digital technology is going to stay here, as we all have entered into a village, a global village, where data transmission is very, very important. Today, where we are handling more information through digital mode, through the computer mode, there cyber security is very, very essential. And the cyber specialists are given a very good salary. In fact, it is around, you can say, 8 lakh packages, an annual salary of around 8 lakh for an IT security specialist. Isn't it very Nice to hear that. Now, we have some universities, we have some colleges which are providing cyber security at all the level. Just after 12th standard, if a child wants to go for engineering, apart from what we have the routine engineering, we also have BE in cyber security. And this is provided by SRM Valliammal Engineering College in Kanchipuram, Chennai. HITAM Hyderabad, they provide BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, which focuses on cyber security. Then we have KR Mangalam, that's in Gurgaon, Delhi, near Delhi, NCR. They have BSc in cyber security. Then Sharda University, again, in the past few years, they have really grown up. They provide again BTech in CSE, networking and cybersecurity, and NIMAS, NIMAS, Kolkata, BSc in cybersecurity. Means any child who is really interested in cybersecurity and wants to pursue a proper career, he or she is focused, they can definitely go for these courses. Then of course we have some certifications also, like one of the best certifications which I have always heard is Cisco. The Cisco Certified Network Associate, CCNA Security. It's one of the very sought courses which we have. Diploma in cybersecurity is provided by HITS Chennai. NIELIT, this is an institution in Delhi. They are providing PG diploma in information security and cloud computer with certification in information security. Apart from that, we also have certain master's course. Marwadi University, Rajkot, they have MSc in cybersecurity. Swami Vivekanand University, Kolkata, SVU, they also have MSc in advanced networking and cybersecurity. Amity, the Jaipur campus, they have MSc in cybersecurity. Brainware University, they have advanced networking and cybersecurity. NSHM Knowledge Campus in Kolkata, MSc in information and cybersecurity. And Calicut University, MSc in cybersecurity and MTech in cybersecurity. These are the top universities or colleges which are providing the courses at various levels. If I go for, say, Calicut University, which is an MSc, after completing your BSc or BCA, you can apply, and it's accredited by NAAC also. This course from this university covers the study of cyber law, cyber security, and even data encryptions. The entrance exam is conducted and applicants are selected via that. If I talk about NIELIT, that is National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology in Delhi, who are providing PG diploma. For this, you need to be BSc, MSc, BTech, MCA or BCA, means any science related graduate. That means you have to be an undergraduate to pursue this cloud computing, cloud development, cyber security, and information security course. Then I said HITS. It's one of the best cybersecurity course institute. Their students have been recruited in companies like Capgemini, Amazon, Accenture. The minimum requirement again here is any IT or BCA, any grads. If you are very interested in advanced concept of network and cybersecurity, there's a course that you cannot miss out, Brainware University. You can also apply online for them, Cognizant, Genpact, Nestle, some of the recruiters. Again, graduation. Then I spoke about NSHM, Knowledge Campus, Calcutta. They also have the master's degree. That means you need to be a grads in STEM subject. STEM means science related. They have an agile and skilled cybersecurity program. They basically focus on computer forensics, network security, cryptography. They are some of the skills they develop. Amity, Jaipur campus. This is again a master's course and a 2-year course. And this particular course makes you ready, gets you ready for cyber security analyst. They are making sure that you stay at the forefront of the new age skills and careers. You need to be BSc, BTech, any IT or electronic related grads. SRM, Valli Ammal, that's in Chennai, Kanchipuram. They are offering a course in graduation. They provide you the employable skills, data science, artificial intelligence, and IT. Their students have been hired by Infosys, Accenture, Bajaj Capital, and TCS to name. You require to be a 12th standard. You should have passed 12th standard with a minimum percentage. Then I spoke about NIE LIT Srinagar. It's a job-oriented cybersecurity course. They are CCNA certified experts. And again, it's a small course. It's a 2-month program. This is a very small course and a student needs to be passed at the secondary level, that is 10th standard. Then is Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management. This is once again for those who are ready to pursue some course after their 12th standard, those who are looking for graduation level. They have the BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, which is focusing on cyber security. This is completely recognized. It's a 4-year undergrads program. It's basically on cyber security, and more than 40 companies have partnered with this institution and they have been recruited. The minimum requirement is of course 10+2, that is 12th standard with PCM at present. Then we have other courses like in Kolkata we have WFV Center. They are again providing post-graduation in cybersecurity. They focus on cybersecurity, IoT, embedded systems, data science, additive manufacturing, and they have also partnered with some of the best companies. And this postgrads program is a 4 months course, but it can be done only after grads or postgrads. KR Mangalam, Gurgaon. It's a BSc cybersecurity degree. It's a 3 years course. It familiarizes you with the concepts of risk management, compliance, network security system, IT infrastructure audits. Once you complete the system, you can become an ethical hacker, risk compliance officer, network security specialist, and even data security analyst. It's a very good course. It definitely does have a bright future. One needs to pass class 12, that is 10 plus 2, from CBSE or any equivalent board, and maths should be one of the subject for this particular course. Then we have SVU, Swami Vivekanand University, Kolkata. They have the masters and the masters in advanced networking and cybersecurity. This again a 3 years postgrad degree. Then we have Marwadi University, Gujarat, Rajkot. This again a 2 year master's program. It prepares you effectively to defend and manage complex computer systems and network. After completing this particular course, MSc in cybersecurity, you can go for forensic computer analyst, information senior security analyst, chief information security officer, security architect and penetration tester. But yes, you need to be a bachelor's degree based with science, that's BTech or BSc. Then those who are living in Delhi and nearby area, Sharda University, for the past few years I have seen that they have come up with many good courses in all the arenas. In fact, this is again at the UG level, BTech CSE networking. It's something one should definitely consider. It helps the people, it helps the students to create and maintain a digital document chain for structured investigations against the cyber attacks and those who are, responsible for that. It's a 4 years course and you require to be PCM or anything with maths. NIMAS, it is affiliated to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University. It's a 3 years long course, BSc. It's a BSc, and in this you learn cyber security management, incident responses, security threat assessment, and harnessing new technologies. The minimum requirement is 50% in your 12th standard with science as a compulsory subject. Means you should belong to the science stream. So there are some of the universities which I have spoken about. You can pursue anything from degree to diploma and even certification. Means a child who has pursued BCA, then he or she can go for some certification courses like CCNA is giving you. Then you can go for some postgrad certification or diploma. Or if you are very keen and very determined, then even after 12th standard you can go for a grad course. We also have online courses for the same. They are cyber security diplomas. They can be completed both by UGs and PG students, and it is around 1 year that we need to complete. There are, as I spoke, there are certification courses. Some of the top universities in India are also offering these certification courses, but they are very short term courses. The span may be 3 to 6 years. Thus, we can say that with the time, there is an increased demand for skilled cybersecurity experts. And of course, a career in such field is just not well paid, but also gives you lots of experiences handling the crisis and attacks in real time. It is said that by 2022, this sector, that is the cyber security sector, is going to have a growth setup as at an impressive rate of 37% globally. Just imagine 37%. And when you pursue some such courses, now the question might be, ma'am, what will be I called? You can be called as a cybersecurity analyst, security architect, cybersecurity manager, network security engineer. That's, and of course it depends on the company that what post they have created for this particular, but most of the IT companies, and in fact the other companies, are also now roping people from this particular field, and it has become in fact essential. You can have an entry level jobs. You can also go for a better prospects with engineering or degree in cybersecurity. Already, as I spoke, the average salary of a cybersecurity engineering is around 8,65,000. Apart from the universities which I have spoken, there are other universities also, like Reva Academy, Amrita Vishwavidyalaya, that is in Kerala, Kochi, and Coimbatore. Their Coimbatore campus is providing this. Vikrant Institute of Technology and Management in Indore, NIIT University, Gujarat Forensic University. They are some of the best colleges or universities which are providing MTech in cybersecurity in India right now. Some questions that might come in your mind. Is it hard to learn? Because we all are always having the approach that is two roads diverged, and on which road should I travel? The road not taken. Most of the time we love to take the road which has been traveled by everyone. We don't want to explore the new world. We are scared. So many times this question also comes, is it hard to learn? Yes, of course it is complex. But of course, on the other hand, there is nothing called as impossible. Maybe in the initial you may take time to understand, but in the later stages it becomes very easy as well as very interesting. Believe me, it is very interesting. And we have multiple cyber security certifications online. You can also, update yourselves time to time. One more popular network security course is CCNA. This is offered by Cisco, and this equips you with services within the Cisco network. Means to install, operate, troubleshoot a small to medium size enterprise branch network that you can do. And it's, of course, a highly paid job. Once you complete the CCNA certification, you will land up with bright prospects. And many of the topmost companies like Cognizant, Accenture, Bosch, Infosys, they have hired cybersecurity professionals. And of course, in the near future, it is estimated, I'm talking about India alone, that it would be generating a mass employment. So, what are you waiting for? Don't always say the road taken. Sometimes it is road not taken. It's always better to explore that world which has a bright future. See, the astronauts, the physicists, they all are trying to find out the planets. They are trying to explore life on other planets. So why can't we explore courses? So students, parents, those who are in class 10 or class 12 with science, do ponder over my video. In any case, if you need any assistance in this, I can provide the same with an expert advice. You can book a slot for counseling also. It is available on Bodhami platform, Dr. Rama Raghavan. I repeat, it is Bodhami platform, Bodhami, www.bodhami.com. It's a learning platform. You can click on Find Counselors. I'll be there, Dr. Rama Raghavan. You can book a slot with me. I can explain more about the same. I can also relate you, I can also connect you with the experts who are working in this industry, who can give you better approach. You can contact me, you can WhatsApp me anytime on my phone number 99105 22680. I repeat, 99105 22680. So, goodbye for now. We'll be meeting soon with more ideas, more careers, and more videos. Bye. Have a good day. Have a good weekend.